welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fboxx, and if you guys are following me, or let's say following my channel, then you must be knowing that this is my first unboxing from Fboxx. So yes, quite excited, and yes, I'm really looking forward for it. So let's just quickly open it and see what all is there. First of all, let's talk about the price. Earlier this box was around $7.99 I guess, but now the prices, they have reduced the prices, so now the price is ₹499, which is great. And this is how the box looks, and once you open it, this is how the products are here. So let's start. All the products are from Seer Secrets, and let me tell you, I like this brand. It's a decent brand. It has that natural feeling to it, organic feeling to it. The fragrance are quite nice, very natural. So all the products gives you that natural premium kind of range, which is nice, I guess. So if you like this brand, I think this is a perfect box for you. Now let's start with the first one. This is the first one, and this is Energizing Yogurt Enzyme Body Cleanser. Body Cleanser is the first product here. Now the quantity is 200 ml, so it's a really big product. $486 is the price. Manufacture of June 2020, and all the products of Seer Secrets are made in India, not tested on animals. Dermatologist tested, no paraben, no sulfate, Ayurvedic formulation. That's what I was telling you. It gives you that very natural, very organic kind of feel. So this is the first product, body wash, you can say cleanser, body wash. $486 is the price for this one, and you are just paying $499 for the whole box. The first product is for $486. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is Bath and Shower Oil Mist. Smoky Rose is the flavor. 100 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is ₹549, which is wow. The manufacture of June 2020, best before 24 months from the packaging date. So yes, this is the second product. After this, of course, you need SPF. This is the SPF Milk Body Lotion with SPF 21. It has aloe vera, carrot seed, micronized, zinc oxide, UVE, UVB protection. 100 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is ₹459. Manufacture of, again, June 2020. And the packaging, yes, I'm actually loving the packing. Now moving on to the next one. Now I have these two products here. The first one is lip scrub. The second one is lip plumper. So I'll start with this lip scrub. Okay, so let me open it. This is how it looks. Now the price for this one is ₹261. This is how it looks. So yes, as you know, nowadays we all love matte lipstick, and whenever you're using matte lipsticks which are very heavy on your lips, or you can say very drying on your lips, you should use a really good lip scrub. So yes, this is a must-have product for me, especially because yes, I use matte lipstick. So yes, love this, and I'm definitely going to use this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is lip plumper. Let me open this as well and show you. So this is how it looks. The price for this one is $315, and this is raw mango, paprika, and mint is the flavor. This is how it looks, and the fragrance, as I've told you, very earthy, very natural kind of fragrance. So yes, this is the last product. So in this, you are getting a body cleanser, then a oil mist, then a SPF, then a lip scrub, and a lip plumper. So I guess this is a really good combination of all the products. So if you are looking for a skincare box kind of a thing, this is perfect. And if you like this brand, then I think brand, or let's say the product, so yes, this is a steal deal. It's a really good box for you. Don't worry, I will be mentioning everything about Fboxx. All the details are in the description box, so you guys can go and check there. And that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.